Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new blade on your lawnmower. First, I'll remove the spark plug wire. Now I'll tip the lawnmower on its side so I can access the blade. When I do that, I always want to make sure that the carburetor is up so fuel doesn't leak. Also, a lot of new lawnmowers have carbon-filled gas caps. If your mower has one, it's best to wait until the mower is just about out of gas before doing this. If fuel leaks into the carbon-filled cap, it'll ruin the cap and you'll have to replace it. The blade is secured to your mower with a bolt. To help me unscrew it, I'll use a block of wood to bind up the blade. Then I'll use a socket wrench to remove the bolt. Now I can install the new blade. When I install it, I want to make sure that the sharpened bevels are up or towards the deck. I'll align the blade with the blade adapter. I also want to make sure that there's no dirt or grass between the blade and the adapter. That might cause the blade to be off tilt. If your mower uses a blade washer, install that next. And then the bolt. For now, I'll just tighten the bolt finger tight. There will be a specific torque spec for the blade bolt. You'll want to refer to the manufacturer for this number. In the case of my lawnmower, it's 45 foot-pounds. I'll use a torque wrench to tighten it. And again, I'll use the block of wood to keep the blade from rotating. I'll finish up by tipping the lawnmower back on its wheels and reinstalling the spark plug wire.